properly managing tasks, things that you have to get done, and keeping it organized will allow anybody, including myself, to do multiple things and get and be very, very efficient in the way that they go about things. And so I'm going to walk you through just kind of how I use task management, hoping that maybe you can get some ideas on the way you may use task management. Now, I happen to use ASANA. There are many task managers in the marketplace today. I have found ASANA to be a great application, and it has progressed, continues to make improvements, and it really is very easy. Remember, the ultimate objective when selecting a task manager is to select one that does not create more work for you. If it's creating more work for you, then it's probably not something you want to do. So here within ASANA, as soon as I open up the application, I can immediately see the things that I have to get done for the day. And then as I go down through the week, now sometimes I may only have one task for the day because it may take me all day to find to finish that task. But here you can see kind of some of the events that I'm working on today. Now, when I want to get a better view, I prefer, and notice here, this is the name of my group called Home. You can name your task. I just happen to name mine Home because I have multiple areas of interest in there, from work to personal to religious and church things. So here, I can just click on Home and go, and here kind of is a list of my active projects that I have. Now, these happen to be members, so I can invite other people. So within our family, when we have tasks that are due, we actually assign them between family members. But here you can click, and you can see that represented here as well. Here I can click on Calendar and view my calendar. Now I can see exactly what I need to get done, when I need to get it done, and I can move those things around within my calendar quite easily. So I can just move it up here, and now I'm kind of adjusting as I go. So for me, at the beginning of the day, I always look at what my tasks are so that I can easily see what they are. And then at the end of the day, I'll go back to the calendar and I'll look and see, oh, these things need to be moved around because I'm never going to be able to get all that work done. Or I worked on this and it didn't quite work out that I got to any of these other ones. So I'm going to move those over as well. So it allows me to move and shift my due dates of tasks very, very easily. So let's see what I actually do within the tasks themselves. One of the great features of task management is we have the ability to send things directly from your email. So this is coming directly from my email. And the nice view on ASANA that they've done a terrific job with, quite frankly, is they've allowed you to see these are subtasks and then comments. So here I can go into my details, see the due date. I can see what my subtasks are. These are the things that I need to do, right? And then this is all of the data and information that I received about this task, and I can close that out. So I can easily, without very much effort, go through and see exactly what needs to be done within my environment, within my world, and be able to easily move things around my system. Here on the screen is an example of a very simple task that I needed to get accomplished. This is for Christmas 2018, and I have just a few tasks here. Get the boxes from the basement, unpack all boxes, and return boxes to basement. Very simple. So this is me planning an activity, for example, or something that needs to get done. I can just list these out as tasks grouped within here, and then the details I need to do can be added in here as well as subtasks. So it's very, very simple to kind of get my thoughts about me on what it is that I want to do and get accomplished, and be able to do that here. Look, task management is really everything that needs to get done. So we can list everything out. Here's some work that I'm doing on the RV in 2018. So these are things that needed to get done. I can go ahead and look through all of these, make assignments, and put them on the calendar. Now, this happens to be from 2018, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. So this has just been really an overview of what task management can do for you. So just to summarize, task management allows me to set up what the tasks are that I need to do for myself, and then group those tasks in different sections so that I can keep everything organized. Task management also allows me to view a calendar and see exactly what I need to get done and when it needs to get done, and to easily move those tasks around dependent on others. It also allows me, although I haven't illustrated here, it allows me to communicate with others by including them on different types of tasks. So here I can just simply type somebody's email address and it will automatically send them an email invite. So let's see here if I have one that's not connected. So see how it says invite. I can just click on there and say, yes, I'd like to send that invitation out. And so then that person will be in tune with what you're doing here. So whenever you make an adjustment to the task, it'll automatically send them an email. This is a great way to get started with task management, to stay organized. And I cannot encourage people who are not using task management. This will really save a ton of time in all of the efforts that you need to do.